This is a Kali Linux Nethunter OS running on Android device. Hey guys, my name is KSQRL. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and run Kali Linux on any Android device or tablet without rooting. Let's get started. The prerequisite of this video, you need an Android smartphone or tablet running Android 10 or higher. Now, as of now, Android 11 is the recommended version that works very well with Kali Linux Nethunter. A minimum of 10 GB of free space is left on the internal storage. Now, as you can see, this is my Android device running the stable version of Android 11. So installing Kali Nethunter on an Android device or tablet is only possible with an application called Termux. Open your favorite browser, then head over to this GitHub page and download the latest version of Termux application. Then head over to this website and download the NetHunter Store application. Now, once you have done downloading both files, go ahead and install them on your Android device. Now open the NetHunter store and search for another application called NetHunter CLI. Go ahead, download this application and install it. Then open Termux and wait for a few seconds to complete the setup. Now you can see a prompt that is waiting to type something. Using this, we're going to install Kali Linux Nethunter. If you have a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard connected to your Android device via USB port, this helps you type the commands very easily. Then type apt update to update the package manager. Then type apt upgrade. You will see a few prompts asking for confirmation. Just type Y for all. Once it's done, now again type apt update. It's time to install the wget command. To do so, type apt install wget. Once it's done, type wget-o nethunter-installer and type this URL and press the enter key. This command downloads the installer script. To execute the script, we need to change permissions. To do so, type chmod +x nethunter-installer. Then run the script by executing this command. This will take some time to set up Kali Nethunter. Make sure your Android smartphone is connected to the faster internet. Now, after some time, it may ask to delete the root.fs file. Choose N for a no. And that's it. Now we have done installing Kali Linux Nethunter running inside an Android smartphone. You can type NetHunter to enter the CLI mode of NetHunter OS. Now you can see I can easily run the commands like nmap, ping, and more. It's time to enable the desktop mode of the Kali Linux Nethunter edition. To do so, first exit from the CLI mode, then type NetHunter, kex, passwd, and press the enter key. Now set a password, choose no for view-only password, then type NetHunter kex to start running the VNC server. Now open the NetHunter kex application. Then type the password over here. And press the connect from the top right. Voila, now you can see the full desktop mode of Kali Linux. I tried running the Firefox browser and keeps on showing an error when I try to run a website. The terminal and other tools of Kali NetHunter work very well. Now, apart from GUI, the CLI version of NetHunter works without any issues. If you are trying to install Kali NetHunter on the Android device running Android 12, you may find an issue with Termux. For example, when you execute NetHunter kex, it kills the VNC server automatically within a few seconds when it's running in the background. There is an ongoing discussion on the GitHub page. It's recommended to check out and find out any solutions. Now, once you are done working with controlling the Kali from the VNC server, close the application and using the ongoing notifications, choose exit to force quit Termux application. And that's pretty much it. This is how you install Kali Linux Nethunter inside an Android device. If in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will catch you in my next one.